Oh, my Earthworks microphones arrived. M23R reference microphone. It literally just landed. Let's take a blade, cut this. So, okay, seal broken. Welcome. We'll check that just now. And the specs. So, yeah, not all mics are made equally. Here's our calibration file. Look at how linear that is. Anyway, the moment we've been waiting for. Kevin and I have been at work every day, all day, waiting for this shit. Earthworks. Then we've got a lot of other gear for it. I'll go through it in a bit. Here's the cable, more cable, some more cable, some high-end cable. That's our unit, interface unit. Thanks to homies at Sonos Audio. There's appreciate the hookup. Yeah, now to start playing. Shot a lot.